Tired of feeling lost in a sea of subtasks? Let's tame that chaos and transform your Asana projects into models of clarity. First, navigate to the task you want to organize. You'll see a list of your subtasks here. Notice how they're just a single, long list, not very organized, right? To add a section, simply click the Add Section button located within the subtask area. It's usually represented by a plus sign inside a rectangle. A new text field will appear. This is where you'll name your section. Choose a clear and descriptive name that represents the type of subtasks you'll be grouping, for example, research, design, or implementation. Type in your desired section name and press Enter. Now, it's time to move your subtasks into this section. Simply click and drag each relevant subtask and drop it under your newly created section heading. Repeat this process to create as many sections as you need to categorize your subtasks. For example, you might create a completed section to move finished subtasks, keeping your active tasks front and center. And that's it. By adding sections to your subtasks, you'll instantly improve task visibility, enhance your project structure, and facilitate better team collaboration. Happy organizing!